Good day. I am Mario L. Heraldi Jr. and I am here to enunciate the sounds of General American English and to provide word and sentence examples. Long E, pronounced as E, as in lead. Word examples: read, believe, heal, leave, seal. Sentence examples: kindly read the following guidelines. Read, read. I will never believe in your promises. Believe, believe. It takes time to heal. Heal, heal. All I can say is I will never leave you. Leave, leave. Do not accept if the seal is broken. Seal, seal. Short I, pronounced as E, as in lead. Word examples: him, kid, win, gin, pig. Sentence examples: I was fall in love with him. Him, him. You are just a kid. Kid, kid. I surely win this competition. Win, win. I love drinking gin. Gin, gin. You are as fat as a pig. Pig, pig. Short E, pronounced as as in lead. Word examples: heaven, special, met, dead, man. Sentence examples: stairway to heaven. Heaven, heaven. You are something special to me. Special, special. We already met each other. Met, met. Don't play with bad spirit or they'll rise from their dead body. Dead, dead. I use a deodorant for men. Man, man. Long A, pronounced as A, as in laid. Word examples: rain, break, cake, day, ate. Sentence examples: there's a rainbow always after the rain. Rain, rain. You should never break her heart. Break, break. I wish someone will give me cake. Cake, cake. Night completed the day. Day, day. I have 8 little cat. 8. Short A, pronounced as air, as in lad. Word examples: bed, mat, value, sandwich, bath, Sentence examples. You made my day bad. 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 I am prefer to take a nap in a mat. 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 You must know yourself's value. 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 That good smell is from that sandwich. 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 Take a bath before going to work. Bath. Bath. Short O, pronounced as ah. As in caught. Words examples. Politics. Contact. Not. Job. Wash. Sentence examples. This is about religion and politics. Politics. Can I have your contact number? Contact. Contact. I will not take that as a compliment. Not. Not. I will have an online job now. Job. Job. Kindly wash your hands before eating. Wash. Wash. Short U, pronounced as as in cup. Word examples. Function. Dawn. Cover. Blood. Tongue. Sentence examples. Always remember your work and function. 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 I have done making homeworks. Done. Done. Don't judge the book by its cover. 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 I need 3 bags of blood. 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 I accidentally bit the tongue. 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 R, pronounced as as in verb. Word examples. Her. Earth. Person. Bird. Word. Sentence examples. I want to see her presence. Her. Her. Earth is the living planet. Earth. Earth. You are the most attractive person after all. Person. Person. I have heard singing bird outside. Bird. Bird. Don't worry. Let's work it out. Work. Work. Long O, pronounced as oo. Ooh. As in pool. Word examples. Move. Suit. Juice. Cool. Moon. Sentence examples. Don't move as long as I tell you to move. Move. Ooh. Move. I love the way you ramp your swimsuit. Suit. Ooh. Suit. Can you give me a glass of juice? Juice. Ooh. Juice. Your shirt was so cool for this event. Cool. Ooh. Cool. Please take her to the moon for me. Moon. Ooh. Moon. Short O. Pronounce as ooh. Ooh. As in pool. Word examples: book, tour, cook, look, took. Sentence examples: reading book is my favorite hobby. Book. Ooh. Book. I have an island tour tomorrow. Tour. Ooh. Tour. I can be your cook for the day. Cook. Ooh. Cook. Your look is so eye-catching. Look. Ooh. Look. You took everything back from me. Took. Oh. Took. O or diphthong O. O as in coat. Word examples: bone, bowl, clothing, smoking, below. Sentence examples: my classmate had a bone fracture. Bone. Oh. Bone. Can I have a bowl of soap? Bowl. Oh. Bowl. I love your clothing choice. Clothing. Oh. Clothing. Smoking can be dangerous to your health. Smoking. Oh. Smoking. I put the carton below the table. Below. Oh. Below. Circumflex O. Pronounced as aw. Aw. As in cause. Word examples: pause, saw, taught, author, applause. Sentence examples: don't stop the game, simply pause it. Pause. Aw. Pause. I saw your brother yesterday. Saw. Aw. Saw. I have learned a lot from what you have taught. Taught. Aw. Taught. I am the author behind that work. Author. Aw. Author. Let's give her a round of applause. Applause. Aw. Applause. Precatives: and th. Word examples for sound: through, nothing, health, north, death. Sentence examples: the matter has already passed through her hands. Through. Through. Leaves nothing to the imagination. Nothing. Nothing. Defending the health of the beloved oceans. Health. Health. The bird is found at far north as Canada. North. North. I will rise from my death. 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 Word examples for sound: them, brother, further, either, whether. Sentence examples: the best of them that speak this speech. Them, them. That cute guy standing there is my brother. Brother, brother. He will undergo further questioning. Further, further. I haven't written to either of my parents. Either, either. Decide whether he should agree or raise objections. Whether, whether. Fricative V pronounced as v, v, and stop consonant B pronounced as b, b. Word examples for v sounds: violin, cover, love, knives, Eve. Sentence examples: playing violin is my favorite instrument. Violin, violin. Don't judge the book by its cover. Cover, cover. You have to love in order to be loved. Love, love. Who bring two knives here? Knives, knives. From morn to eve, the settlers toiled. Eve, eve. Word examples for b, sounds: cub, baby, bike, ball, bot. Sentence examples: the music was from cub, cub, cub. He is the baby of the family. Baby, baby. My mother gave a bike as my birthday gift. Bike, bike. Everyone had a ball at the wedding. Ball, ball. We need his bat in the life. But, but. Sibilant S pronounced as s, s, and Z pronounced as z, z. Word examples for sounds: cups, cats, backs, cuffs, dots. Sentence examples: can I have 2 cups of water? Cups, cups. I have many cats in my room. Cats, cats. They were left with nothing but the clothes on their backs. Backs, backs. They both have bad cuffs. Cuffs, cuffs. Those dots on the chart mark the ship's position. Dots, dots. Word examples for z, Z sounds. Sends, plays, raise, goes, cries. I don't expect that he sends money from the charity. Sends. Sends. Education plays a vital role for everybody. Plays. Plays. Raise your hand if you want to answer. Raise. Raise. Take a moment to think that everything goes smooth. Goes. Goes. I heard he cries a lot. Cries. Cries. Sibilant. Shh. Shh. As in shirt. Word examples: machine, tissue, special, confession, patient. Sentence examples: a machine for cleaning carpets. Machine. Shh. Machine. She wiped her nose with a tissue. Tissue. Shh. Tissue. I will give these flowers to my special someone. Special. Shh. Special. I haven't gone to confession in 3 years. Confession. Shh. Confession. I am a cancer patient survivor. Patient. Shh. Patient. Sibilant. Z. Z. As in measure. Word examples: camouflage, treasure, casual, arbitrage, amnesia. Sentence example: hiding behind the camouflage of righteous indignation. Camouflage. Z. Camouflage. She treasured those memories. Treasure. Z. Treasure. A casual approach to cooking. Casual. Z. Casual. Profitable arbitrage opportunities. Arbitrage. Z. Arbitrage. They were suffering from amnesia. Amnesia. Z. Amnesia. The affricate as in cheer. Word examples: challenge, watch, champion, chew, kitchen. Sentence examples: she wants a job that will challenge her. Challenge. Challenge. Watch it when you handle the glassware. Watch. Watch. A champion of his king. Champion. Champion. You're not allowed to chew gum in class. Chew. Chew. They want a house with a large kitchen. 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 Thank you. Those are the sounds of General American English. Thank you.